In this video, I am going to design social media banner design especially for Instagram. First, go to File, then New, and then select the size of the banner, which is 1080. Then select RGB mode and DPI should be 300. Then what we have to do? Take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle according to the size of this artboard like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a eyedropper tool and then select the light peach color from that box. And then what our next step is I'm going to take a ellipse tool and draw a circle by pressing, don't forget to press a shift key along with it while draw a red circle like this and adjust it like this, you can see it. And then what I'm going to do is first let me turn off the pill. Like, it takes some time but you can do it at the end. Then select this picture and then adjust it, select, arrange, and then bring to front. And then take a selection tool again and if you want to give the color of the circle you can give it. And then adjust this picture according to the size of this circle and make sure it's totally up to the circle. Half circle we have to adjust this picture, half of the circle, not fully circle, like this, little bit up, little bit down, little bit right, little bit left. So you can in at the end you will be able to adjust it correctly like this, little bit more, and you will be able to see the result. It takes some time. Now then click left click and then basically select both the picture and then circle, and then left click it, make wait a minute, and then make a clipping mark like this. And then what our next step is, it takes some time as I told you. Basically social media banner design is very important for Instagram posts, so we have to be very careful while designing this, especially in Illustrator. Usually I have designed most of my social media banner design in Illustrator because it's very easy to use. You can make so many changes and use so many tools freely like this. It takes some time. And then what our next step is like this. Let me see it's okay or not. We have to do now again, take a ellipse tool and draw a circle by pressing shift along with it, and then give color to this box like this, and put this circle to the corner of this artboard like this. And then you can write or you can write your or paste your logo inside this circle, upper circle. Okay, then take a copy of these circles by pressing alt key and drag it, and like this, adjust it like this. And then what I'm going to do is, let me select a picture and then go to arrange, then bring to front that picture. Okay, now take a text tool and then write it whatever you wanted, but here I am writing 50% off. Your discount offer or your shop now button should be very prominent in social media banner design. It's one of the thing for your audience should directly, when they come to see your banner design, they definitely see the discount uh, offer right away like this. And then go to select, you can select any typeface. Is no hard and fast rule, it's totally up to you. But font size or font type should be simple or yet attractive for your viewers and easy to read especially. And then again take a ls tool, and then this time I just give a stroke to this circle like this, and then increase the size of the stroke like this. And then again select the picture and then left click it and bring to front that picture. Okay. Okay, then what I'm going to do is, it's totally up to do this changes. You can adjust these circles or picture till the last moment. It's very important. Then again what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a text tool and then I'm going to write a main heading. Basically in this text I'm going to write what this social media banner is about, so what offer I'm giving to my viewers. Okay, so let me adjust it again. Whatever typeface you want to select, just select it and increase the size according to your choice and according to the space you have available for in your output. Like this, little bit up, little bit down, and like this. And then again it's totally up to you. Let me now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the fashion little bit inside, adjust. Oh, like this, it's little bit inside. Yeah, this looks fine. Up, down. You can, when you make or create social media design, you will understand, or you will. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both text and circle and then make sure that it's aligned in the center. Okay, then I'm going to select the fashion and then decrease the size of the fashion text, or also change the color of this text as well. And then again decrease the size of space, our first text spatial, and then decrease the sale text as well, because our main focus is fashion, so other text should be in little bit smaller than our main text. Okay, now little bit we have to move our picture little bit left side, right side, sorry, and then again adjust discount offer bar again. And then we have to do these changes very frequently, because whenever you make some changes in your text or in your design, so we have to adjust everything again. Okay, now again what I'm going to do is now again it's a instruction के in what items we are giving, uh, offering sale, so it should be in small size than our main heading, and we don't need to select the different typeface for every text or every sentence. We have to select a one or two typeface and then take a different weight of that side. It means you can, if you take a, if you select a bold typeface for your main heading, then you can select a light or regular typeface of the same font for your side heading. Okay, less important heading you could say it. Then again we have to adjust it. It takes some time, but you will understand it, okay, how we have to do it. Then let me change the typeface again. I don't like it, it's very and it looks very unprofessional. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this, and then select a direct selection tool, and then stretch both the circles inside. Then what I'm going to do is, this is the most important thing for your banner design. In this phase you are going to offer uh, or tell your customer that where to buy this avail, or uh, buy this stuff, or clothes. Now like this, and then select both the things and then select the box. And then because we have to adjust this text into the box center, not the overall artboard center. Okay, like this, like this. Then we have to take a copy of this circle. We have to put this downside as well, like this. And then again take a ellipse tool and draw a small circle by pressing shift along with it, and then put this into the center of this circle outline. Okay, then again we have to adjust it, as I told you that we have to do this very frequently, because whenever you do some changing, we have to do this again and again. Okay, then again take a copy of this box and then put this to the center of this or the side corner of the artboard. Then again take a rectangle tool and then select draw according to the size of the artboard, and then make sure that all the boxes or all the layers are unlocked by pressing Ctrl plus 2 or Control Shift plus 2, and then press Control A and then left click it and make a clipping mark. So you can see it's ready. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.